What up, go on YouTube? Welcome to the Jamaican Recipe Queen, where we cook with love and passion. Today, kings and queens, we're going to be making some Jamaican authentic jerk seasoning, jerk rub, or your jerk marinade. Okay, so here I have all of the ingredients that I will be using. Okay, so here I have some garlic stems, some fresh thyme. In here I have some onions and some ginger. Over here we have our parsley, our green onion, our garlic, coriander, our hot peppers. You can use Scotch bonnet or any other hot pepper of your choice. Here I have some bell peppers, red, green, yellow, and orange. And over here we have some celery. We have our browning, our garlic powder, our black pepper, and also we have some brown sugar. We're going to also be needing some olive oil and some lemon juice. Over here we have our pimento seeds and our vinegar. Okay, so the vinegar, the lemon juice, and the olive oil, that's what we're going to use as our liquid to blend our seasoning. The vinegar also helps to preserve your jerk marinade. It helps to keep your jerk marinade longer on the shelf, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to start the blending. So I'm adding all of my herbs, spices, and my liquid to the blender. Okay, so that first set is nicely blended, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a few more herbs to the blender. So every time the blender reduces, you add a few more herbs until your blender is full and it can't hold anymore. All right, if it gets too thick on you, just add a little bit more of the olive oil or the vinegar. Okay, so it reduces again, so I'm going to go in with our garlic. Okay, so as you can see, everything is nicely blended. So we're just gonna pour this out now into another bowl, and we're gonna continue blending all of our ingredients. We're just gonna repeat the same method until all of our ingredients are nicely blended. right, so everything now is blended. It is looking so good. OMG. Look at that, guys. Looking so beautiful, smelling so good. I can smell the pepper as well. Yes, I can smell the pepper. So now we're gonna go in with our browning. Reason why I didn't blend the browning is because I want to control the color of my jerk seasoning. All right, so this is gonna be up to you, the color that you like. You want to just go ahead and add your browning accordingly. All right, so I'm going in bit by bit until I get my desired color. Okay, so I used about 3/4 bottle of the Grace Browning, and this is the color that I have currently. That's the color that I am trying to get. This is my jerk seasoning that I bought at the store, and if you can see, the color is even darker than my jerk seasoning, but I don't want it to be this dark. All right, I want it to be exactly how the color is right now, but as I'm saying, it's up to you. Depends on the color that you're looking for, but this is perfect for me. All right, so now it's served, and here I have it in a bottle. This is how I will be storing it into my fridge. So please go ahead, you can put it in Ziploc and you can freeze it, and it will stay in your freezer for months. All right, so if you're new here and you have not subscribed yet, if you like this recipe, if you like my channel, please hit that subscription button. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Leave me a comment, like up the video, share up the video. Let me know what you think, guys, about this recipe. All right, so until next time, big up on yourself, stay safe, and God bless you all.